Hello dear students, welcome to Sri Chaitanya Bridge classes. How are you guys and girls? Yeah, welcome to our classes. All of you, please text number non-negative. Let me see guys. Yeah, in the last class we've seen three special points related to triangle. Yes, thank you. Good evening, Hasini. Yes, Sanjana, everyone. Yeah, non-negative. Number is the ruler of the universe. Agnesri, Pavan. Yes, thank you very much. Yes, guys. So we've been discussing the funda related to coordinate system. In coordinate system, we introduced the xy axis plane, plotting the points in xy plane, followed by distance formula, section formula. In section formula precisely we have seen even finding midpoint, points of trisection, finding the ratio in which px comma y divide the line segment AB also we have seen. Even after that we've seen finding area of a triangle with shortcut method, also finding area of a quadrilateral when 4 consecutive vertices are given, even area of a polygon when n consecutive vertices are given. Followed by we've learnt how to find the fourth vertex of a parallelogram, types of a parallelogram. Right dear students? Then after that, a very important thing yesterday we have seen the special geometric points of a triangle. In any triangle, you see, triangle is after all a closed figure formed with 3 line segment, but it has wonderful properties. You just take any 3 medians, they are concurrent, that itself is beautiful, and all the altitudes are concurrent at orthocenter, all the perpendicular bisectors are concurrent at circumcenter, and all the internal angular bisectors are also concurrent at incenter. And most importantly, in any triangle, OGS will be collinear such a way that G divides OS in the ratio 2:1. We call that line is Euler line. Especially in an equilateral triangle, all these four special geometric points will coincide. As well, in a right angle triangle, the vertex containing right angle is the orthocenter, the midpoint of hypotenuse is the circumcenter. Anyhow, G divides OS in the ratio 2:1. That's what we have seen in the previous class, dear guys and girls. Come on, today we are going to highlight straight lines. Straight lines related fundamental points. Let us recall first, which helps you to understand the chapter straight lines easily in the regular classes. Right dear students, are you all ready to listen to my lecture? Come on. Let me see your energy in the chat. All of you say, all of you give thumbs up, all of you like and subscribe so that the video will be forwarded to all your friends who are watching this session, right? Yes, everyone. Come on. That's good, dear lovely students. Now, fine. Coming to straight line, dear students, you know, once coordinate system is introduced in a plane of x and y, let me take x and y, we can draw many curves, right? We can draw a circle, we can draw a straight line, ellipse, parabola, hyperbola, zigzag curve, many curves can be drawn. But in our daily life, we will be using certain curves very frequently. Of those, the first one is a straight line. So straight line is one of the important curves that can be drawn in a straight line, in the xy plane. So we need to study in detail about the equation of a straight line. Then we also study about circle, second most important figure which we frequently use in our daily life. Then other shapes, especially for astronomy purpose, okay, we use parabola, ellipse, hyperbola and all. And most important curves that we study here are straight line and circle, and straight line is 11th grade syllabus, okay, especially with respect to AP and TS state board syllabus. Whereas if you are studying NCERT CBSE syllabus, the complete conic section, that means coordinate system, straight line, circle, parabola, ellipse, hyperbola, all this together you will get in 11th grade. Whereas if you are studying AP or Telangana, of course in this year AP syllabus will be on par with NCERT. If you are studying Telangana, especially state board, so straight lines and pair of straight lines will be in 11th grade, and circles, parabola, ellipse, hyperbola will be in 12th grade. Anyhow, dear students, so to understand that today's lecture is going to help a lot to follow the pace in the actual class. Right, dear students, shall we start? So our aim is, you see, initially we thought this is xy plane, so can we give name to each and every point in the plane? We thought it was very difficult, impossible, because it will contain infinitely many points. But in fact, René Descartes has given an idea of ordered pair with the help of which any point in the plane has unique name in the name of x coordinate, y coordinate, or axis or ordinate, right? In the same way, my next step is, can we give name to తెలుగు డైలాగ్, ఎప్పుడు వచ్చామనేది కాదన్నమ్మా, ఎప్పుడు వచ్చామనేది కాదన్నయ్య, బుల్లెట్ దిగిందా లేదా. ఓకే ఓకే, జస్ట్ ఫిజిక్స్ సార్ తర్వాత వచ్చాను, బట్ మ్యాథ్ సిలబస్ ఓకే, గాట్ ఇట్. యా డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్, ఫైన్. సో అవర్ ఎయిమ్ ఈజ్, అరే I'm in a flow, you stopped me. Okay, right. So there is in xy plane, so can we give name to each, can we give name to each and every line that can be drawn in a plane? Is it possible? Arey yaar, I can draw this line, this line, this line, this line. Is it possible to give name to each and every plane? I mean each and every line in the plane. Is it possible, dear students? Practically very difficult. How can we give? How can we give? It's very difficult. But still we can. We have a mechanism to name each and every line in the plane. What is that mechanism and how to see that is today's lecture, guys. Okay? Ready? Our mathematics job is to make the impossible things possible and very easy. Right? So most of the things which we felt very, very difficult were made easy by math. You know, can somebody say what is mathematics? Mathematics, what is the meaning of mathematics? Can anyone in the class? What is the meaning of mathematics? Can anyone say in the class? Come on. Can anyone say in the class? What is the meaning of mathematics? The subject that deals with numbers, okay? That is correct. But number, subject, study of number, known to unknown, a problem solving. Okay, fine. That's good. Proof. So you're all awesome. All your answers are almost correct. But dear student, listen to me. Fine, Amma, Harshita, I'm fine. Thank you. Yeah, you see, dear students, the word mathematics has come from two words, Manthanian and techne. Manthanian means doing the things. Techne means by using techniques. So any work, when somebody do the same work with a lot of labor, effort, time and all, if you are able to do the same job in easy way by using technique, that is math. That's all. For example, how many students are there in the class? Somebody counts 1, 2, 3, 4, say 50 is one job. Other one, array there are 5 rows, in each row 10 students are there, 10 5s are 50. That is, second one is math. Okay, dear students? Fine. Even in daily life works which you do easily by using techniques is math. Math is all about this, and the math has made many things, many impossible things possible. Here also, equation of a straight line made studying about the figures, especially circle, parabola, ellipse, hyperbola, which we frequently use in our scientific study, dear students. Now equation of a straight line. What do you mean by equation of a straight line, guys? Yeah, equation of a straight line means, suppose if you take a straight line, it contains infinitely many points. So finally, equation of a straight line is a condition that is satisfied by each and every point in the line, on the line, correct? Equation of a straight line is nothing but a linear condition that is satisfied by each and every point on the line. Finally, if I say a line equation is x plus y is equal to 8, that means for every point on it, x coordinate plus y coordinate is going to be 8. That is the meaning. If I say the equation of this line is 3x minus y is equal to 11, the meaning of this is, for every point on the line, triple of x coordinate subtracted by y coordinate gives the number 11. That is the meaning. Finding equation of a line means you need to find some condition satisfied by each and every point on the line. That is what equation of a line is. Now let us talk about equation of a horizontal line. Guys, let us consider xy coordinate axis. So now you just take this. Suppose this is 2. Let me take a horizontal line. Horizontal line is that which is parallel to x-axis. We call a line is horizontal if it is parallel to x-axis. Okay. Now suppose you just take this point. This is going to be 0, 2, 1, 2, 5, 2, minus 2, 2. This is minus 3, minus 4, 2. You just observe. For every point on it, y coordinate is 2. Am I correct, guys? For every point, its y coordinate is 2, and hence I can say that its name is y is equal to 2. Correct? Correct? The equation of this line is y is equal to 2 because for every point on it, y coordinate is equal to 2. Am I correct, guys? If I take a line, suppose it is at 3, let me take a line. Since you take any point here, x coordinate may vary, but y coordinate is 3. Can I call this line as y is equal to 3? Can I say that this particular line is y is equal to 3? Right? Wonderful, wonderful. So what about this line equation? Even x-axis is also a line, guys. What can be equation of x-axis? Come on. What is equation of x-axis? Come on, quick, quick. Equation of x-axis. Quick. Y is equal to 0. Super. This is because for every point on it, y coordinate is 0. Suppose if it is minus 7 by 2, you can take this horizontal line is y is equal to minus 7 by 2. Finally, can I conclude that, dear students, the equation of any horizontal line will be like y is equal to some number? Can I say this point? You take equation of any line which is parallel to x-axis. We call it as horizontal lines. Can I take it as y is equal to some number? Clear? Clear, everyone? Very good, nice. Then, dear students, what about equation of a vertical line? Here vertical in the sense, dear students, x-axis is horizontal, y-axis is vertical. Now you take some line which is parallel to y-axis. First of all, let me talk about y-axis. Y-axis, you just take the points. This is 0, 0. This is 0, 1, this is 0, 4, this is 0, 5, this is 0, minus 3. The observation is, for every point on it, x coordinate is 0, friends. So can I say that equation of y-axis is x is equal to 0? Correct. X-axis is not called abscissa. In any point, x coordinate is called abscissa, y coordinate is called ordinate. Whereas x-axis is x-axis itself. Together we call coordinate axis. Okay, right? So let me take another vertical line here at 3, guys. This is 3 comma 0. This is, you can say, 3 comma 1, 3 comma 4, 3 comma 5, 3 comma minus 1 by 2, like this. For every point on it, what is your observation? Your x coordinate is equal to 3, guys. So let me call this line as x is equal to 3. Correct? Correct. Suppose if I take a vertical line here at minus 7 by 5, can I call this line as x is equal to minus 7 by 5? Can I say this line is x is equal to minus 7 by 5? Yes? Yes? Yeah. So can I conclude that equation of any vertical line will be like x is equal to some number kind of? Correct? Yes? Yeah. Perfect. So dear students, now I am very comfortable to give name for each and every horizontal or vertical line. Every horizontal line will have equation like y is equal to some number. Every vertical line will have its equation like x is equal to some number. Correct? Correct, everyone? Yeah. Now dear students, if I take some random line like this, you see the points will be 1 comma 7, maybe 2 comma 5, something randomly given. We may not be able to observe a pattern among the coordinates. Now it is not that easy to give the equation of the line. So for that, so to give name to each and every line, even non-horizontal, non-vertical lines also, we introduce a concept called inclination and slope. Okay. So dear students, inclination of a line, listen to me carefully, guys. Suppose these are the coordinate axes. You are given some line. Suppose a line makes an angle theta with x-axis in anti-clockwise direction. You see, dear student, listen to me carefully. What do you mean by theta here? A line, this is the line I am talking about. The angle made by the line with x-axis in anti-clockwise direction. In the sense, you have to remember, like, this positive x-axis is to be rotated to coincide with this line. Let me repeat. What is that? The angle required for the positive x-axis is to be rotated to coincide with the line is defined as, that angle is defined as, okay, inclination theta. Harsha Charan will come to shortcuts. So inclination theta, generally for horizontal line it is 0, and after coming one rotation, that means 180, it comes again. So inclination is always 0 less than or equal to theta less than pi. Listen to me. This is very important, guys. What do you mean by inclination? Inclination of a line is nothing but the angle made by the line with x-axis in anti-clockwise direction. For example, this is making some acute angle. So inclination of x-axis itself, theta is 0. Inclination of y-axis will be theta 90. Suppose if you take this line, it may be some this angle 150 kind of. So do remember, inclination is always closed 0 to open pi. Inclination cannot be more than pi. Okay, that is very important observation, guys. Now next point. So one more important point. If two lines are parallel, suppose these two lines are parallel, they will have same inclination theta. You see, because these two are parallel, this is the transversal. For two parallel lines, inclination is the same, guys. Now we define slope of the line. Slope of the line. Suppose, dear students, if a line makes an angle theta with x-axis in anti-clockwise direction, then the number tan theta will give you a number, right? That number m is called slope of the line. Yeah, why is pi is highest value means, you see here it is the line, suppose this is the line from 0 to, if you maintain again 180, the same line, right? 180 0 same line, 181 means 1 degree only, no. So we don't require more than 180, even 180 also. So this is why we are not taking, got my point? Somebody asked a question, why inclination cannot be more than 180. This is 0, you see the tip, this is the line, 90 and so on, almost 180. 180 means this line and 0 line is the same. Why two values? I want to make the function 1 1. So 180 degrees is same as 0, so remove 180, let it be 0. 181 is same as 1 degree, 190 degrees is same as 10 degrees, right? Got it? Yeah. Now dear students, if two lines are parallel, guys, before that, what do you mean by slope of the line? If a line makes an angle of theta, yes, if a line makes an angle theta with x-axis, the slope m is given by tan theta. Once tan theta is given, guys, do remember, if this theta, it is the one, tan theta table, you know dear students, if theta is 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees, you know tan theta values, tan 0 is 0, tan 30 degrees 1 by root 3, tan 45 1, tan 60 degrees root 3, tan 90 is not defined. These values you know dear students from basic trigonometry, 17, 28, 12 cube. Nitya, thank you very much, but we shall continue and wait for 1729, 1 more minute is left. So this is tan theta. One more important point, guys, here, if two lines are parallel, obviously inclinations are the same, so their slopes are equal. If two lines are parallel, suppose they have slopes m1, m2, m1 is equal to m2 is very, very important observation, guys. Okay. Then if two lines are perpendicular, guys, if two lines are perpendicular, suppose this is the first line which makes an inclination theta here, its slope m is equal to tan theta, say m1. Suppose there is another line which is perpendicular to this, let this angle be 90. So yes, 1729, thank you. Thank you. All of you text 1729. All of you text 1729. Our special number, Ramanujan number, 12 cube plus 1 cube. Arey yaar, 729. If I remember 1729, 729 is 9 cube bhaiya. 9 cube. And 2c, 27 square, 3 power 6. You can remember. So 729 is 9 cube, 27 square, 3 power 6. These are very frequently helpful in our calculations. Even of course 1728 is 12 cube. You know Ramanujan number, special number, so it is the least number which can be written as sum of two cubes in two ways. Right dear students? Yeah. Slope I will explain once again, no issue. Before that, guys, you didn't like the video, subscribe, like it, subscribe. Yeah, thank you Shashank. Like the video, subscribe, take it forward. Okay, stay connected with Sri Chaitanya channel. We will be giving many updates in course of time. Yeah. Right dear students, somebody is asking to explain the slope again. Let me dear students, yeah. If a line makes an inclination theta with x-axis, then the number tan theta is called slope. suppose a line is making 30 degrees angle with x-axis, slope is tan 30 degrees, okay. Tan 30 degrees 1 by root 3. If theta is 45 degrees, slope is tan 45 degrees, which is 1. Like that, you just see theta, you can find the slope. Of course, theta you know from 0 to 180, slope m can be from minus infinity to infinity, it can be any number, okay, right. Guys, not only that, if two lines are parallel, another Telugu dialogue to increase the josh. Next time I will come prepared, okay. I didn't expect this, you are going to ask Telugu dialogue, okay. You just tell me the dialogue, I will repeat it, okay. Fine. So, okay. Fine. Prabhas dialogue. Cutout చూసి కొన్ని నమ్మేయాలి dude, okay. Not my cutout, Prabhas cutout, okay. Cutout చూసి కొన్ని నమ్మేయాలి dude, okay. Yeah, chalo, fine. Sare, Nobita, we'll try in the next class, okay. Chalo. Fine guys, once again, come on, energy in the class. Please, all of you, text slope m is tan theta, you cannot text, right? So, slope m, okay, fine. Okay, right. Coming to the point, if two lines are parallel, then their slopes must be equal, guys. M1 is equal to M2. Next, my point here is, if two lines are perpendicular, suppose there is first line which makes an angle theta, so its slope M1 is going to be tan theta. Suppose there is another line which is perpendicular to this, okay. So what could be its inclination, guys? Its inclination means this total angle 90 plus theta, its slope M2 is going to be tan of 90 degrees plus theta, and hence dear students, you just consider M1 into M2. M1 is tan theta, M2 must be tan of 90 degrees plus theta, and hence you know this is tan theta minus 1 by tan theta. This is actually minus cot theta. Let me write minus 1 by tan theta. Cot cancelled, you got minus 1. So dear students, if the two lines are perpendicular, we can say product of their slopes is minus 1. Guys, correct? If two lines are perpendicular, the product of their slopes is equal. This point is very important, guys. If two lines are parallel, slopes are equal. M1 is equal to M2. If two lines are perpendicular, M1, M2 is equal to minus 1. Of course, not for horizontal and vertical lines. So, because horizontal line, any horizontal line slope is 0, any vertical line slope is not defined because tan 90 is not defined. There is exception for horizontal and vertical lines. Except horizontal and vertical lines, we can say if two lines are parallel, their slopes are equal. If two lines are perpendicular, product of the slopes is minus 1. And apart from this, dear students, that's what I have written, slope of parallel lines. If two lines are parallel with slopes M1, M2, the condition is M1 is equal to M2. If two lines are perpendicular with slopes M1, M2, the condition is M1 into M2 is equal to minus 1. So you must remember these two. We will be using these points very frequently, dear students. The next important point, very, very important point, slope, if you know, if the slope is positive, guys, you see that means theta is 0 to 90, line will be like this. If slope is negative, you say my name, Bharat, okay, Bharat, right. Right, you see, dear students, if a line is like this, inclination, I mean slope negative means theta is more than 90, the line will be of this kind, If the slope is positive, theta is acute, line will be of this kind. Hope you got my point, dear students. Okay, fine. Yeah, so dear students, this is a point, guys. The next, what is the meaning of intercept of a line? Yeah, intercept of a line. So, dear students, suppose there is some line which intercepts x-axis at the number 4. That means it is passing through the point 4, 0. Yes. Yeah. ఒక్కసారి కమిట్ అయితే నా మాట నేనే విన్ను, అర్థమైందా? సో got it? Yeah. So x-axis, suppose a line cuts x-axis at 4, that means 4, 0, we call x-intercept of the line is 4. Okay. Next, suppose a line cuts y-axis at 5, that means it is passing through the point 0, 5. We say y-intercept of the line is 5. Got it, dear students? Got it? Got it, everyone? So, if a line, suppose there is another line which cuts x-axis at -2. So, don't say that intercept is 2, intercept is -2. For this line, x-intercept is -2. Dear students, x-intercept -2 means it passes through the point -2, 0. Y-intercept is 5 means it passes through the point 0, 5. Clear, everyone? So, dear students, everyone, I think you are getting my point, boys and girls. So, we have I have introduced inclination of Devarakonda Satish. Yeah. So, I have introduced inclination of a line. Slope, that means the angle made by the line with positive x-axis is theta. Okay. Second, slope is tan theta. And another important point, the meaning of x-intercept and y-intercept, dear students. Okay, x-intercept is this. And here one more important point, if you are given a line, theta is not available, you know 2 points on the line, say x1, y1, x2, y2, but still you can find the slope. This is y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1, slope of that line is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Okay. Okay, dear students, slope of this line is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So, Nikhil, really I don't have that dialogue, so otherwise I would have told. Please don't mind, I don't have dialogue on Virat Kohli. Okay, right? We'll check and try. Okay, fine. Yeah, next, dear students, coming to equation of a straight line. Before that, dear students, suppose there is a line 2x plus 3y minus 5 equal to 0. Does the point 1, 1 lie on the line? Just check, dear students. Ee sala cup namde. Okay. I didn't hear, trying. Okay. Don't know, we'll try. I hardly follow cricket. In recent days, I used to follow a lot, but recently I am not following any cricket. Okay. Right, dear students? So, does the point 1 comma 1 lie on the line? Come on guys. Yes, in place of x you put 1, in place of y you put 1, so 2x plus 3y is 5, so this is correct. Array, can I say 0 comma 5 by 3, will this point lie on the line? Come on quick. Will this point lie on the line? Array yaar, many of you didn't like the video, you didn't subscribe. Like it, subscribe it, fill the josh in the class. Come on, participate in the discussion. Come on, quick guys. So I have been discussing important concept related things here. I need your energy to be involved in the class so that class goes with high pitch. Okay. Come on, quick. Is 0 comma 5 by 3 lies on it? Yes guys, you substitute. Yes, 0, 5 by 3, yes, it satisfies. What about 5 by 2 comma 0? Will it pass through? Yes, it passes, right? My favorite cricketer, many, Sachin, Dhoni, I like, Virat Kohli, I like, but out of all, I like Sehwag. Sehwag is one of the favorite batsmen I like, but is not playing now. Okay, guys, find 5 by 2 comma 0. Yeah, so this is the point. What about 3 comma 1 point? Does it lie on the line? Does it lie on the line? What is Bharat? Okay, 3 comma 1. Does it lie on this? Come on, quick, text. Yeah. Does it lie on this? No, it won't lie, because if you substitute 6 plus 3, 9 minus 5, 4 equal to 0, no. So after this content, dear students, now so far we've discussed about point number 1. First of all, what do you mean by equation of a line? It is after all a condition satisfied by each and every point of the line. Second, equation of any horizontal line will be like y is equal to some number. Equation of any vertical line will be in the form of x is equal to some number. And to talk about equation of all the inclined lines even, we have defined the concept called inclination. The angle made by the line with positive x-axis in anti-clockwise direction is defined as inclination theta. If theta is the inclination, the number tan theta we call m, denoted by m, is called slope. If two lines are parallel, obviously slopes are equal. If two lines are perpendicular, m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. And most importantly, instead of theta, if 2 points are given on the line, say x1 y1, x2 y2, we can find the slope like y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Coming to another part of terminology, intercept. What do you mean by x-intercept of a line is 5? It means it is passing through the point 5 comma 0. It cuts x-axis at 5. So what do you mean by y-intercept of a line is minus 4? That means it passes through the point 0 comma minus 4, and hence, dear students, we can say it also cuts y-axis at minus 4, dear students. Right? Thank you. Now, equation of a line in point slope form. All of you listen to me guys. Equation of a line in point slope form. That means I want equation of a line which passes through the point 1 comma 5 and slope 3 by 4. Dear students, all of you listen to me. I am going to give a wonderful shortcut guys. Wonderful shortcut I am going to give. Are you all ready? Ready, dear students? Are you all ready? Energy. So Ramu, I am not watching cricket as of now. Even I am not aware of any of the teams, right? So I watch only international cricket. Okay. Yeah. Right, dear students. Now, suppose you want to find equation of a line, you see, passing through the point 1 comma 5 and slope 3 by 4. Generally, dear students, the formula you know well, slope you take it as m, point you take it as x1 comma y1. The equation of the line we need to form is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. That means y minus 5 is equal to 3 by 4 into x minus x1 is 1, which gives, multiply with 4, 4y minus 20 is equal to 3x minus 3, 3x minus 4y plus 17 equal to 0. This is the thing, dear students, which we do. It's a very routine method. Yeah. So, very routine method, dear students. Let me talk about so the shortcut. Shall we go with the shortcut, guys? Shortcut, do you want to find equation of the line passing through the point and slope 3 by 4? Do you want? Say yes or no. Text here yes or no. Yes or no. Yes, fine. You see, if the slope is 3 by 4, listen to me. Numerator is x coefficient, denominator is y coefficient. You write opposite sign, plus no minus. You write equal to. It has to pass through 1 comma 5. Substitute 1 comma 5. 3 minus 20 minus 17 is the answer. That's it. Correct? If slope and point is given, point slope form. Slope numerator is x coefficient, denominator is y coefficient. Since it is positive, you write opposite sign. If it is negative, you write plus sign. Put equal to. Substitute the point, you will get the answer. Clear, everyone? Do you understand? Harsha, Sri Charan. Do you understand the shortcut, guys? Do you understand? Yes. Wonderful. Let us try one more question, dear students. One more question here. All of you please try. Find the equation of a straight line with slope minus 5 by 2 and passing through 2 comma 1. Quick. Quick, I want the answer very quick. I want to find equation of the line with slope minus 5 by 2. Yeah, and passing through 2 comma 1. Quick, 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 guys. This is numerator is x coefficient, denominator is y coefficient. Write the opposite sign. Put equal to. Substitute this point. 10 plus 2. 12. That's all. The answer is. Otherwise, you need to apply the formula y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Is this shortcut useful, guys? Slope is given. Point is given. If you want equation of the line, numerator is x coefficient. Denominator is y coefficient. If minus is there, plus. If plus is there, minus. Put equal to. Substitute the point. Clear, everyone? Clear? Next problem. One, you have to answer this question in less than 5 seconds, guys. Less than 5 seconds, I want the answer. Find the equation of the line with slope 7 by 3 and passing through 1 comma 1. Less than 5 seconds. Come on, quick, quick, quick. Quick. Equation of the line with slope 7 by 3 passing through 1 comma 1. Y 12 means in this part you substitute this point. X is 2, y is 1. 10 plus 2, 12. Got it? Yeah. What is the answer for this, guys? Quick. Yes, Pranavi has given the answer. 7x, this is numerator. 3y, since it is positive, put minus. Put 1 comma 1. x1, y1, 7 minus 3, 4. That's all the answer. Super, super, dear students. You are following, wonderfully following. Appreciate, dear students. How is the shortcut, guys? Do you like it? Do you like it? You like it, but you didn't like the video. Like the video, subscribe. Come on, quick, quick, quick. Yes. Yeah, chalo. You see, y4 is simple. After writing this point, x must be replaced by x coordinate. Y coordinate you put here. 7 into 1 minus 3 into 1. 4. Got it? Got it, boys? Fine. The last question on this model. One more question on this. Find the equation of the line with slope 3 passing through 5 comma 1. Slope 3 passing through 5 comma 1. Come on, quick. Slope 3. Slope 3 means 3 by 1. 3 by 1. So 3x minus y equal to 15 minus 1. 14 is the answer. Clear? Clear everyone? Clear? Okay. Fine, good. Nice. Right? So this is what we call slope-intercept form of a line. Slope-intercept form of a line. Second question, what about equation of the line in 2-point form? Point slope form is done 2-point form. 2-point form in the sense, this time you will be given 2 points on the line. Suppose one point is x1, y1, second point is x2, y2. Here slope is not available. Dear students, first you can apply the formula y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. This is the general formula, guys. That means if 2 points are given on the line, you can comfortably find the slope first, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, and you can take one of the points as this, rather using this particular formula, guys. For example, so you see, suppose you are given 2 points on the line, say 7, 5, this is 3, 9. So try to find the equation of the line, guys, passing through these 2 points. So, no, I didn't watch. Suppose 2 points are there on this, x1, y1, x2, y1. If you want to apply this formula, apply, but I go with the shortcut, dear guys. Shortcut is, first you find the slope by slope is y2 minus y1, 9 minus 5 by x2 minus x1, 3 minus 7, 4 by minus 4, which is going to be minus 1. If the slope is minus 1, use one of the points. This is the point, this is the slope. How to apply the previous shortcut? This is x coefficient, this is y coefficient, substitute, this is 12. X plus y is equal to 12 is the equation of the line, guys. Clear everyone? Clear? X plus y is equal to 12 is the equation of the line. Got it? If 2 points are given, the best method to do is find the slope, then apply point slope form, previous case itself. Next, one more question, find the equation of the straight line passing through 3, 5, 8, 7. Come on quick, I want the answer in less than 1 minute, very fast. If 2 points are given, how to find the equation of the line? Yes, dear students, first slope is 7 minus 5 by 8 minus 3, which is 2 by 5. Slope point are known. This is x coefficient, this is y coefficient with opposite sign. Substitute one of the points, 6 minus 25 minus 19. Okay, substitute 3, 5, 6 minus 25 minus 19 is the answer. Correct? Every time finding inclination it is not inclination, it is slope. It is not inclination, it is slope. Slope you have to find. Yes, you have to find. That is easy. Rather applying the lengthy formula, y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Okay. Correct, dear students? Correct. It is minus 19, not 19. Please note, Hasini. So 2x minus 5y is minus 19 because 6 minus 25 is minus 19. Clear everyone? Right after this, dear students, we can say, so next one is equation of a straight line in slope-intercept form. Slope means, suppose there is a line with slope m, intercept c. In this case, the equation of the line is y is equal to mx plus c, dear students. If the slope is m, intercept is c, it is y is equal to mx plus c. Can anyone say how, dear students? It is very simple. Slope means you treat like m by 1. Y-intercept c means point is 0 comma c. Apply the shortcut mx minus y, substitute 0 comma c, you will get minus c. Therefore, y is equal to mx plus c. This is the simple proof. So, slope is given, y-intercept is given. Can't you find equation of the line, guys? It is very simple. Slope is m by 1, y-intercept is c. Clear, everyone? Clear? It's very easy, guys. Next, equation of a straight line in intercept form. Suppose there is a line whose x-intercept is a, y-intercept is b. Then the equation of the line will be like x by x-intercept plus y by y-intercept is 1. Okay. Arey many of you, those who are watching, didn't subscribe, didn't like the video. All of you, please like the video, subscribe and forward, see that it reaches most of the students, guys. Okay, right? So this is very simple. X-intercept A means it is passing through the point A comma 0. Y-intercept B means it is passing through the point 0 comma B. Arey it is 2-point form indirectly. If 2 points are given, slope is b minus 0 by 0 minus a. So minus b by a is the slope. One of the points you can use. If this is the point, dear students, this is x coefficient, this is y coefficient with opposite sign equal to, substitute a comma 0, ab. You divide this with ab, you will get x by x-intercept plus y by y-intercept is equal to 1. This is called intercept form of a line, dear students. Got it, everyone? So I have given so far one simple formula, one simple technique can do most of the problems very easily. If slope and point is given, you just apply a shortcut 2-point form, y is equal to mx, no century, yes, no century. Let me see, we are left with 2 minutes. Can we complete century today? Yes, we'll see, guys. So this is the point. The general form of equation of the line is, finally you use any of the formats, dear students. Final equation of the line will be like ax plus by plus c equal to 0. This is the general yab. Arey yaar, you substitute, this is the slope, I have written this. After that I need to substitute one of the points. Substitute here a into b plus a into 0, ab only, no. This is why it is ab, guys. Okay, yeah. No worries, Sonu, no problem. We'll try in the next match. Okay, fine. Right. Yes. So general form of equation of a line, dear students. Finally, whatever format you apply, whatever format you apply, the final equation will be like ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Fine, dear students, what are, yes, we couldn't hit century today. No issue, you are there. We'll take care. We'll see in the next match, next class. Okay. So before that, dear students, what are the important points that we have seen today? Equation of a straight line means finding out, decoding a condition satisfied by each and every point on a line. Equation of x-axis is y is equal to 0. Equation of any line parallel to x-axis will be like y is equal to some number. Vertical line x is equal, y-axis is x is equal to 0. Any line parallel to y-axis will be like x is equal to some number. And to talk about equation of any line, we have defined inclination, slope, intercept, with the help of which slope point form, 2-point form, slope intercept form and intercept form, general form we have discussed. That's all for the day, dear guys. So happy Sunday, enjoy the day. And if somebody are writing NEET exam tomorrow, I mean to say not you, maybe your brothers, sisters, friends and all. So from Sri Chaitanya side, so all of you, I mean to say the best wishes from my side and Sri Chaitanya side, best wishes to the students who are writing NEET exam tomorrow. Definitely your dreams will be fulfilled Wish you all the best, dear students. Thank you. See you in the next class with a wonderful thing. Take care. Bye. See you guys. Bye.